Close again. Close, close, close. Close your lips. Close your mouth.
Close your mouth. Close your mouth.
Good, very good. You okay? You want more water? More water? He's such a good boy. How old is he?
He's 2.
He's gonna be 3 anytime soon, or?
No, he just turned 2
Oh my God, he's so
in February.
cute. He is very cute boy.
Lorenz, lie down. Lie down, please. Good boy. Thank you.
Alright, Lawrence, I'm just gonna brush your teeth more, okay? Alright.
Okay. Open your mouth.
Open wide. Open wide. Ah, say ah. Very good. Very nice. One more time. Water. He's the cutest 2-year-old.
Yeah, he's very cute, isn't he?
No 2-year-old. Let's do this. I did it. Yeah.
No more? No, there's more, baby.
Was that more? Yeah, this is for you. I'm gonna watch it. He's got really good teeth.
Yeah? That's good.
I guess he lets you brush them.
He brushes them himself.
Very good. And you know what I'm gonna give him? A floss too. Okay? That's a floss for you. And I'll give you a toothpaste. Your mom can use it. You can. But because you're such a good boy, you keep it, okay? And in a nice, pretty bag. In this bag,
Look at that, Lorenz.
that's all your stuff. All for you.
Say thank you.
You're welcome.
Yay! Yay!
He still wants a toothbrush.